So right, I'm gonna show you right now how I'm trying to build my own blinkers. Here I took two tubes, a 32mm, 1.5 or something thickness, and another one that fits inside it, precision tube. It is 30mm, something like this. And as you see, I fit them inside each other. I tack welded them here, as you can see that. I welded them with that welder without gas. Here's the one, the MIG, and here is the one, same system but without gas, without argon or tagon gas. So that's why you see a lot of brown dirt and stuff like that. So then I took those old blinkers covers and I made this way, just hit it, cut them with heat, and then pull them out. Let's see. And then I took this file and I filed them until I got this guy. Is better than how it looks here. So then I'm gonna fit this one here, but the other way looks different, something mine, looks cool too, and this way, so you can't hide those cutting mistakes and scratches. Like this way, it looks nicer. Anyway, I'm gonna find a way if I'm gonna glue it or make it removable, still don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna have LED bulbs inside it, so yeah, maybe I have to make them longer here. Another tube, I'm gonna check for that. Yeah, as you can see, so it doesn't matter if they doesn't matter. I don't have to change the bulbs, so it doesn't matter if they are removable or not, but I will find a way. In the end, I ended up adding 2 more tubes, and I welded everything from the inside here, as you can see, yeah. And the lights, the LED bulb would be fitted inside such a rubber ring or something that goes here inside, and then once you need to change it, or you need to clean something, or you need anything from it, you just can pull it out. I will try to make it fit snug, not to allow it to fall down or stuff from the car vibration and stuff. And it's not gonna stay like this, of course, so I grinded it to make it look as close as possible to such a pole. Yeah, and the filler will be covering many things there later. And once we add one of those here, guys, yeah, we have such kind of blinker. So now we have to make such a grip or foot, or what to call it, leg or mounting point to it. Yeah, that's what I still have to add. And yeah, let's see. Alright, I ended up making like this. Maybe later I'm gonna make another coat of paint on it, but still not sure. I don't have a problem with those lines, but who knows, yeah? And I welded such a holders like this that are gonna fit on the car. I'm gonna show you that. So here's the I-beam axle and here's the wishbone, And the screw that mounts the wishbone that holds this in place is gonna be having this one here. Go. And about the bulbs, I made them such a rubber mount that is gonna fit in here. I'm gonna fit it here. It fits already. I tried it without paint. Now I'm gonna have a little bit of pain in the ass to get it inside. And these ones are gonna get glued, but not with super glue or something. I'm gonna use the resin. It's better for me. So now I mix the resin with its components, required components, and all what I'm gonna do. So the difficult part here is I'm gonna work with one hand only and hold the camera with the other hand. So working this way, this side. See? And let the rest here. Alright. Let it dry. So as you see here, it fits really snug, you know, so no worries about sealing or stuff. And the rest of the resin that I had, I used a bit of it to seal the cable here, so it's really sealed. It's supposed to be really sealed. So I'm using the screwdriver here to fit it better inside, to push it inside. And as you see, and let's go to the other one that is finished already. Yeah. This is how they look like, guys. Something I made myself. Yeah. And about my DIY turn signals, why I use already LEDs, because it's not breakable, as we know, and not easy to burn. And for another reason is to save myself a lot of work with those relays and cables and stuff, you know. So I purchased on eBay such a DIY turn signal, not turn signal, it's made for blinker. So it blinks one LED or two or three, or who cares, 1.2 watts, you know, one LED here and one resistor here that blinks once, gives the power to the LED, and once to the resistor. So if you make 1.2 watt LED here too, so we'll have them blinking against each other. So you can make this wall to monitor your blinker on the dashboard, but I didn't go for that. Both blinkers, so the front and the rear one. The rear ones are the same bulbs that are gonna go inside those holders I made. The both, and I cut them on the rear, so you're gonna have the run light, the stop light, and the blinker inside, turn signal. Those are my rear lights, and the front ones. So I tried it already with two of them mounted in parallel, and plus 1.2 LED, little green LED light that goes to the dashboard. It's a dashboard light, and it works without any problem. So this part here is a DIY, so you have to solder it yourself and stuff. It cost me $3, €3, so about $3.5, $4. It's really nice, and you can change frequency here between 1 blink at a second and 3 times at a second. So it's really nice. It's variable and very nice. So I'm gonna have my 12 volt here, and from this one it goes to the blinks on off a button that I'm building myself, that will show in another video. And you know, it goes from it to the right or the left. It will work like a regular car, you know, but something DIY, 100% DIY, as you see here. So thanks for watching. I'm going to show you in the end of the video how it